Want to add a country code drop-down to select a country code from a predefined list? After installing and activating Cool FormKit, navigate to Cool FormKit from Elementor section. Toggle on the country code for the Tell field feature, then save changes. Now, open your Elementor form. From Type section of your form field, choose Tell. Enable Country Code option. You will get access to the list of controls to optimize country code dropdown. Mention the default country. Toggle on Auto Detect Country to pre-select the user's country based on their IP address. Mention the list of countries that you want to include in the drop-down list. All other countries will be hidden. Mention the list of countries that you don't want to appear in the drop-down. After being satisfied with all the changes, publish the page and preview it.